Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to send mass emails using Pipedrive? In this tutorial, we will walk you through setting up email campaigns, selecting recipients, and tracking your email performance. Follow along to streamline your email outreach. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. First thing first, head up to pipedrive.com. Then, make sure that you are logged into your account simply by clicking on Try It Free for the new users or log in for the users that have already an account. Then, we have to start adding contact. So the first thing to add contact, you have to either do it manually or basically add it automatically. Well, for the contacts guys, you have to go to here. So you will find them here. You can add them per person, as I said, add the person and add anything manually, or as I said at the beginning, you can add it automatically. How to do automatic thing? You simply click here on more, then click on import data from here, and then you will be able to upload a sheet or spreadsheet, an Excel file or anything like that. Let me show you an example. Let's go here, and this is like an example of an Excel sheet. You can add it very easily, nothing complicated about it, and then upload it right on into your Pipedrive accounts. And just like that, we have here the example of one of the contacts that I have added myself. So let me just show you. Here it is, Suarez, phone number, and yeah, this is like a contact that I have added. Now let's say that you have already added like several contacts and you have them already. Now how can we send a mass emails for them? First thing is we go to campaigns. Second is click on get started for free and confirm and start trial. As you can see here, we can get to this page. Let's just wait, click on get started. Now before starting sending campaigns, you have to do a couple of things. First thing is you have to enable two-factor authentication to FA login. Then add sender info and mark your contacts as subscribers. Let's go here and let's do this step by step. Let's start with enable two-factor authentication. As you can see, it is enabled. Now let's add sender info. So here Alex from, for example, Alex from, or let's do Suarez from Titan LCD. Sender email, let's do this. Use company email instead. Let's do, for example, Titan LTD and something like that. Or let's do, for example, support at titanltd.com. And yeah, this is basically it. So let's remove this as well. I understand that all users who are sending campaigns can use this sender email, and then click on continue. Here put an address. I'm just gonna add random ones, confirm, and there we go. No thanks, and there will be an email that will be sent to this mail. You have to simply go ahead and click on the verification link or paste the verification code in the field below. So this is how it works, and this is how it's supposed to be. After you do that, you have to mark your contacts as subscribers. So go to contacts by clicking on there and then mark them all as subscribers. So how to do so? Now let me just click on got it, and here if I clicked right here, you have to make them all subscribed. So I can save it and basically can go to here, marketing status, and change it to subscriber. Add current value to subscriber, edit 19%, confirm, and all of them now should be turned into subscribers. So we just have to wait a little bit, and there you go, they are all turned into real subscribers. There is only this one that is left. Let me just do it manually so I can change it real quick. Click on here, let's go marketing status, edit current value, and edit it, confirm, and just like that it is in progress, and yeah, it's edited. So now let's go back in here to the campaigns. And as you can see, now we need to only verify our email. Once this step is basically done, we are pretty much ready. So what we have to do is to create an email template that will be sent to these people. So you can choose one of these, or simply go ahead and start from scratch by choosing this blank form. Now you could literally copy one of these designs for free. Let's go for example with this one. Let's go and preview it, and here you will be able to edit it as well. So there is a tool that is added already, so you can literally add and change whatever thing you want. So let's go ahead, and for example here I can remove this picture, I can change stuff here, I can edit this text, I can change everything in this area just by clicking on these buttons. So there we go. As you can see, things are starting to be removed. Now if I want to add anything as content, I'm simply gonna click on image and add it somewhere. So I'm just gonna drag it here, and there we go. Now for example, if I want to add an image or upload it, simply click on browse and then upload an image from your PC. So we can go here, go for example to image, and let's add this mobile phone and click on upload image, or basically just pick it, and there you go. You can change it somehow, you can edit it, you can apply an effect or change the image, or basically align it to match your design from here. You can use full width on mobile, you can adjust the width of it as you like, make it smaller, make it bigger, so you can be the best when it goes on your design and matches the colors. So you can also here add your logo simply by removing this and adding your own logo. So let's go ahead and add logo. So I'm gonna go right here, go with icons or image, just gonna add another image, browse, and I'm gonna add and upload a new image. Let's say for example this one, I'm gonna use it. This one has a background behind it, so maybe we should add a new one. Let's go and choose something without a background. I have a couple of logos, let me just add one of them. Let's go to here, and let's add for example this Notion image. Yep, this is good. Let's make it smaller, and just like that, there is a logo, there is a text, there is everything. Now what to do next is to save and close, and now we've made this template. So the next thing is to simply make the campaign, which is basically through here. You simply have to pick to verify your email, which I don't have unfortunately an admin email or a business email. So this is what you have to do, just manage to confirm it, and then you choose the template, choose your contact, and click on send to all, and just like that you will be able to send up to 500 subscribers at a time, since we have only the free version. In case you would like to send to more people, then you have to upgrade your plan to the premium plan, which will allow you eventually to send these emails to more people. And just like that, we have finished with this video. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.